Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular SSDs from Kingston and SP. If you're looking to upgrade your computer's storage, then you won't want to miss this. Before we start, make sure to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our latest tech reviews. If you're on a budget, then the Kingston A400 might be the better choice for you, as it's currently priced at $25. The SP1TB SSD is priced at $43, but also comes with a 3-year warranty. So ultimately it depends on what's more important to you, price or warranty. In terms of speed, both SSDs are impressive, but the SP1TB SSD is the clear winner. With its 3D NAND flash and advanced SLC cache technology, it offers faster boot up and improved overall system performance. If you have a slim notebook, then you'll want to consider the Kingston A400, which has a 7mm form factor. However, if you're looking for an ultra-slim option, then the SP1TB SSD would be the better choice as it's only 7mm. Both SSDs are more reliable and durable than a hard drive, but the SP1TB SSD goes above and beyond with its support for trim command, garbage collection technology, RAID, and ECC. All of these features provide optimized performance and enhanced reliability. The Kingston A400 offers multiple capacities, including the 480GB option we're comparing today. On the other hand, the SP1TB SSD offers much more space for applications or as a hard drive replacement. And that's it for our comparison of the Kingston A400 and SP1TB SSDs. Both are great choices, but depending on your needs and preferences, one might be a better option than the other. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.